It's John Champion and Jim Beglin on commentary duty, and a very warm welcome to you all.
Hi John, there's been a great buzz here since I sat in my seat. I think this promises something special today.
So let's get down to business. The pass needed to be better there. Feeds a long ball into space. Could be a chance now. Great chance for the counter. It's on for him. Now. Petric. Dembele. Plays this forward. Hangalan. Hits it long. The pass cut out.
Well, if they're going to trouble this opposition, then every single player has to contribute more. Their passing needs a serious lift.
Sidwell. Good run down the side. Now, what next? The ball crossed the line. The low ball in. Possibility for a shot. He reacted well to the ball in.
Oh, they really wanted that. There's so many players in the box. Everyone's committed to attack now.
He's got in. Crosses it low along the ground. Fair attempt, but no goal.
That's wonderful work down the flank there, and a great ball in. I mean, this could prove effective for them.
Chance for a shot! Nearly, but in football terms, nearly is nowhere.
Or maybe he just cut across the shot slightly and that made it track the wrong side of the post, but that's very unlucky.
Björn Helge Riise. Clever ball. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. Senderos. Slickly done that. It's behind for a goal kick. He takes the opportunity to shoot. It's in, and Manchester United take the lead. Great goal that, great team goal in fact.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
So we resume at 1-0.
Well, when you look around the dressing room and think, who can I depend on? This is the guy for me. He's such a wonderful technician.
Sidwell. We've nearly reached the half-hour mark. Chip through over the top. Now he's ready for a shot. They've done it. Now back in business.
And it's another really good show of character. I love the spirit and togetherness they muster. Never know when they're beaten.
He benefited from a slide rule pass.
And when the ball through is that good, there isn't much a defence can do. That's as incisive as it comes.
So we resume with the scores back level.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal. They just got caught napping.
Offside the decision that time. And that's been intercepted. Poor challenge. Free kick given. Manchester United have this free kick.
Well, it's a bit far out, but you never know. He might just make something of this.
Here's Petric. Petric. And the referee wants words. It's a booking. Let's see what the player thinks of that decision. It's back to the old argument about referees who've never played the game at this level. That will be a goal kick. Well cleared. Good interception from the defender, and it's cleared for a throw-in. They're off on the counter. Still level, but just 5 minutes to go to half-time. Loses out in a position of some promise. Petric. Dempsey, who's set up one goal so far. Got it. Ball stolen. This could be interesting. Driven in. Cleared away from immediate danger. Well saved by the keeper.
And that's a really instinctive stop too. Great reflexes to make it happen. I thought he showed class there.
He shoots there. Oh, it's come off the upright. The post in the way.
Oh, that couldn't have been any closer. It merited a goal for me, but to hit the post, that's very unlucky. We're talking fractions here.
Bad. Tried to play it through. The half-time whistle goes.
I think they'll be a wee bit disappointed in failing to defend that lead. I think with both teams still well in it, though, should be a good second half.
The sides locked level at 1 goal each. Dembele makes the interception. Bad. Here's a cross. And he's offside, the flag is up. He decides to shoot.
Oh, that was such a good chance.
That was a super ball in.
Oh, such a good ball to get him through. Showed real vision and awareness then in trying to pick him out.
A good ball in, but he couldn't finish it off. Here's Petric. And Briguera. Knocks it through to the front line. Chance for a counter then. Senderos. Björn Helge Risa. Baird. Dempsey. And that's been intercepted. Wants to get this forward. Plays this forward. Looking to thread it through. They escape the danger at the cost of a throw-in. And that's going a long way. Dempsey. 60 minutes played. Sidwell. It wasn't the best of passes, really. Here's Dembele. He's on a real charge. Restarts with a throw-in. The ball played forward.
That was just asking too much of his teammates by playing it in so early.
The ball going in front. Drives it in. He so nearly exploited that mistake.
Well, the end result was such a shame, but what a great attempt to win the ball back and get a pop in at goal.
A shot! He's unlucky not to score there.
Oh, he couldn't have hit that any better. Any other time it would have sneaked in. That would encourage another try, though.
He plays it through. That was offside there, and the opposition defenders looked pretty relieved. Sidwell. They're breaking out quickly here. Approaching the last 15 minutes of the game. On the volley! That was a real chance.
Well, maybe the tension around this game played a part in that, because he should have put them ahead then.
Wants to get this forward. He's got in. Good through ball. Offside. And they've missed the opportunity to go in front. Dempsey. And that's come to nothing. It's on for him. It's played into space. Baird. Got it. It's come through to him nicely. Shoots here. And the keeper's there to claim it. Sidwell. Oh, it's been cut out. He's got in. Promising movement. It's opened up nicely for him. Goal! And that, coming so late in the game, must be that. And that goal just shows you the real quality in this team.
Yeah, this is a lovely brand of football we're watching. They're playing with flair and enterprise, and there's a real cutting edge to their attack.
So, could this be the one that settles it?
Well, I think the last few minutes of this game will be fraught for players and fans alike now. I think they're about to have everything thrown at them.
An illegal challenge, says the ref. He knocks it in. There is the referee's whistle for full time. Despite showing one or two defensive frailties, something the manager won't be too happy about, they still did enough.